Hey, what's up out there? DayTraderRockStar here. Tomorrow's Wednesday, 21st, 2 days before Thanksgiving. What a market. What a market, I tell you. Was out in and out all day today, but I was able to buy some stocks, but we're not even going to get into that yet. I'm going to try to fit this all into this fast little video tonight. What I want to talk about is the Dow Theory. You're going to hear a lot of talk about the Dow Theory these days. And, I can't believe it, how these people are coming out. Everybody has an opinion, and I have an opinion too. So, you just take that with a grain of salt. But you see on CNBC this station that claims they're a market station or a financial station, and half the time they're talking to some CEO about some kind of information that doesn't even, I don't know. I get all carried away, man. They were letting turkeys loose today on CNBC. I just turned it off. All right, so just getting back. I don't want to waste any more time with you. Dow Theory, all right? What's the Dow Theory? Dow Theory has been around for 100 years, all right? That's when the Dow average and the transport average both make new lows. There's a whole bunch of steps that go towards it that they have to make. They actually have to undergo a significant correction from a joint new high. They both have to make a new high, and then they have to correct. And then out of their rally, they have to fail and go lower than their previous lows. So basically, they're saying that the transports are making those new lows, and the Dow is just about at those new lows. And from my calculations, I would say around 12,830 where people were going to start yelling Dow sell signal. And now I'm going to throw that whole thing out the door. I don't believe in that at all. I really don't believe in that at all. The reason behind this Dow Theory, it's been around and people are going to grab onto it. And there's, this market is great because there's both shorts and longs in this market. It's what makes this market going. So, right now the shorts have the handle on the market, so they're going to yell all these things: Dow Theory, banking going under, housing going under, and yeah, our economy is slowing down, fears of recession, and all this stuff. But you know what? Look around you, people. It's not that bad out there. A lot of these stocks, and this is where my main point is, when they came up with this Dow Theory, it works off the Dow Industrial Average. Now, the Dow Industrial Average is made up of 30 stocks. 30 stocks, and these 30 stocks have been around for years. These are not the same stocks that are moving today. These are the stocks your grandparents used to own, and some of them have changed over the years and stuff, but a lot of them, of course, money is leaving these old stocks and they're going to new stocks. Today, if you say you're a trader and you're looking for new technology, what are you looking at? You're looking at the Googles, you're looking at Apple, you're looking at RIM, you're looking at solar power, the new tech stocks. I mean, this is where the money is flowing into these days, and these stocks are doing well. They're doing better than well. I mean, look at them. I mean, you don't see GM or GE trading at $200 a share. It's been trading at under $40 for the last 20 years, it seems like. I mean, how do you expect these stocks to make moves when all the money is flowing into stocks that are actually, your investments are paying off tenfold? All right, so this Dow Theory is, all right, so technically, if you want to go by the rules of the 1930s, the Dow Theory might give a sell signal, but it doesn't mean anything to us who are day traders out there, because this market is still going to run on greed and rumors, and money is going to flow into stocks that have the earnings and have the technology and have the vision to move further in this century of ours that we're living. All right, so just give you a couple ideas of why I don't think we're going to see a Dow correction. We're not going to actually trigger that level. I actually think that today and yesterday are probably the bottoms of this market, and I'm going out on a limb saying this. I've been watching this market closely and expecting a bottom any day now. And one of the reasons is watching the Dow 30, the industrial average, made up these 30 stocks, which, if anybody knows, or a lot of people probably don't even realize this, when you're looking at the average, it's based on 30 stocks. All right, so of course, if one of these stocks is getting clobbered, Citigroup is getting clobbered, of course the Dow is going to be down. Now, Citigroup's down so much, you're due for a bounce. Excuse me, you're due for a bounce. All these stocks. So let's start off with a couple of the Dow Theory stocks. Triple M, all right, 3M company, all right, starting to turn up. The statistics are starting to turn up. Actually, pulled back from 95 all the way to 79. Now actually starting to get a little rally up. Stochastics are starting to turn up. I like that. Alcoa, one that's never really going to sell off because it's always in the news. There's always people speculating on if it's going to get taken out and stuff. But I'll tell you what I like about it. Stochastics are oversold. It's coming into a very valuable area here where, you know, it's finding value. It's not really selling off with the rest of the market. Altera, or Philip Morris, I like to say, doing fine. You know, I'm not even going to go into that one. I'm looking at some stocks here that really have some weight in the average. All right, Boeing, BA. All right, look at this. Stochastics way oversold. Every time you see the stochastics down at this level, you get a nice rally. All right, each time. You know, it's not a coincidence, people. And we got down below the 20 line. Actually, I'd like to get it down below the 0 line to see a nice rally. And that we actually made a nice candle today. I expect to move in Boeing tomorrow, so I'll be watching that one closely for a trade. But each time as I move this around, you'll see once we get down to this level, we do make a move up. All right. Again, we make the rally, but we're due for a nice rally here. It might be just small rallies until we correct again, but I do believe that we're really oversold and we're due for a nice rally. Combined being, you know, quite a distance away from the 200-day moving average, we're due to get a nice reaction bounce back up to the 200-day moving average in Boeing. So all these are going to come into play. And you can go down the line of all these Dow stocks that have been selling off and are very oversold. I mean, here's another one, Caterpillar, very oversold. Under the 200-day moving average, which a lot of people say, well, that's a bearish signal. I say the farther you get away from an average, the bullish scenario gets, because you want that stock's going to want to gravitate towards that moving average again, especially an average as strong as the 200-day moving average. All right, so look for this also to bounce back up. All these stocks are going to start heading back up. Again, we went over Citigroup. Again, GE. Oh yeah. That's a real winner of a stock. You go back weeks, you know. I'll go back on a weekly chart and see the action of this one. Well, we've, you know, back in let's see if we go all the way back to 2004, and we've traded at 29. Now we're trading at 39. So wow, went up 10 points in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Very impressive. Very impressive. Not even 39, 37 change. Anyway, you get what I'm looking at here. You know, a lot of these stocks, you know, of course, these are our grandparents' stocks. If I was going to reshuffle this Dow theory, I would make the Dow Industrial Average composing of Google, Apple, RIM, you know, some new tech stocks, new stocks that are taking, you know, taking us into the 21st century here. I'm just deployed. I'm deploying all ships to start buying stocks. I don't have much left in this video. I wish I could be more organized. It's just, I hate this YouTube. You know, I hate you, YouTube. Hate you. You only give me 10 minutes, and I'm just tired of making videos, and I'm wasting my time even just discussing you. Anyway, today I started buying stocks. I bought BHI, so this is my watch list also because I'm going to be holding this. BHI, I bought this. If you've been listening to the radio, I'm on DayTraderRadio.com. You heard me buy these stocks. I like Baker Hughes at this level. Stochastics starting to turn up. Of course, I bought some Google today on that nice target. I'll probably get rid of it tomorrow. I had a nice move, nice 10-point move off the point where I bought it. So that thing's getting a big use. I bought Shield today, or Sears Holding, SHLD. I think that was nice oversold. This was $195, $200 stock. Now it's down to $110. Damn, I'm picking that up. Picked up JetBlue today. $6, man. How can you beat it? Double bottom forming here. Stochastics oversold. Moving averages. Everything. This is a double bottom play right here. I want to get on JetBlue. I mean, comes down a little further. I want to make a play for JetBlue. I might try to buy out JetBlue if it comes down to $5. Apple, of course. I just love it. Holding its strength, not even selling off in this market. So once we do get that bounce, this is going to be the first one that leads to charge back. Intel, didn't buy any extra today, but I love the outside day. Another technical candlestick. It's an outside day, meaning that the range of the day goes below the low of the previous day and above the high of the previous day. And depending on how it ends, this is a very bullish signal here. And again, Intel, Stochastics oversold. This is just telling me that we're heading higher also. And I'm just going to finish. I was talking about Boeing. I think Boeing's oversold here. I think that Boeing's a great buy right here around this this level, whatever this level is, $88. So I'm going to probably buy some Boeing tomorrow. Again, these are all Dow. A lot of these are Dow components. A lot of these are going to be heading up, and it's going to lift this market up. Intel, IBM, Boeing, Microsoft, all these stocks, that have been hit really hard, are just going to rally back, and we're going to major rally. This is a buying opportunity, people. This is no reason to be worried here, no reason at all. All right, so enjoy. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Half a day tomorrow, I believe. If I don't talk to you, well, I'm out kayaking or doing something. I'll be on the radio. Hope you have a good trading day. Just start picking up small stuff. This is my best advice. Just to, start finding the cheap stocks out there. Even the housing. I bought some